Today our tutorial for artfullegacy.com is a paper transfer technique, and we're going to be using the Claudine Helmuth Studio Sticky Back Canvas. You can get that 8.5 by 11 and 12 by 12, and you can get that at the online store at Artful Legacy. This is a 12 by 12 sheet that I've cut down and used part of it, and if you just take a look, put a little snip in the edge of the paper, it just rips just like fabric. And I'm going to snip just a little bit more and just have a little smaller piece to work with today. You can see it just ravels, and you have your little frayed edges just like fabric would, and you put that down on your Ranger non-stick crafting mat, and just pick whatever pattern papers that you'd like. I'm using this petite pattern paper collection from Webster's Pages, and I picked a blue pattern. This is a double-sided, so be sure and put the side that you want transferred to your paper on the paper. You want the wrong side facing you. The side that you want to see is going to be on the sticky part. Rub it good so that it's down really well. And what you want to take next is your mini misters by Ranger, and this is just clear water, and start spraying it on. Saturate it good. If it's a little bit of a thicker paper, double-sided usually, you need to do this. Make just little crosshatch marks on the paper like you would if you were removing wallpaper, and let the water soak in, and just start rubbing, and it'll just start rolling up those first layers of paper. You can see the blue come through. You'll have to spray. Once you get that first layer, that second layer will need to be sprayed good, and just start rolling. Keep rolling. Actually, it's a very fast process. You just spray and roll off that top layer, and you can see that second layer of paper, the one that we put face down, is starting to show through. Always keep it good and wet. When you see that first layer roll up, dampen it, and just keep rolling. Remember, my paper was just a little bit bigger than my sticky back canvas, so that's where it's coming off right there, ending where there was canvas. It'll stay transferred to the sticky part of the canvas. Just keep rubbing, keep spraying. And it looks like you've got all the paper, but you'll still be able to feel some of the little rolls of paper on there. So a simple way to get rid of those is to use the Claudine Helmuth Studio Multimedium, and you want to use the gloss. And I just take a little bit with my finger and rub it on there, kind of like you'd rub lotion on, and you can feel the little extra little paper that you couldn't get off coming off with that gloss. And that will also give you a good top coat for your little piece. Now what you want to do now is take this to your heat gun and dry it, and then you have a real shabby chic looking piece of fabric to put on a card. And it was just really a little fast technique using the Claudine Helmuth Sticky Back Canvas that you can get at artfullegacy.com.